part B, it's asking us to hence or otherwise find the series expansion of f of x up to x squared. Okay, so now what we've done from part A is we've put the f of x into two partial fractions because we've got a equals 0, so I'm left with f of x is that. So in order to do this, we're going to have to expand each term using a binomial. So we're going to start with 4 over 3x plus 2 squared, which equals 4. Just going to put it back into an order that is more familiar. Looking like that. Now we've got the restriction on x, which suggests if we divide through by 2 to make that 1, I'm going to have it in a form that I can expand using a second binomial term. So that equals 4, and I'm going to pull out 2, but that has to be to the minus 2, and that leaves me with 1 plus 3 over 2x to the minus 2. Now that is in a form that the second form of binomial can be used because the first term's 1 and the second term's modulus is going to be less than 1. Right, and 4 times 2 to the power of minus 2, well 2 to the power of minus 2 is a quarter, so 4 times a quarter is 1, so that just equals 1 plus 3 over 2x to the power of minus 2, which equals, using expansion, 1 plus minus 2 times by the second term, which is 3 over 2x plus n minus 1, 3 over 2x squared, all over 2, exclamation mark. Okay, as before, just do it term by term using the calculator. Look at the signs, so it's going to be 1, that's definitely going to be a minus, and that becomes 3x. Minus times a minus is a plus, so the next term is going to be plus, and that all drops out as 27 over 4 x squared. So that's expanded this bit now up to x squared. The next one we're going to look at is 3 over 1 minus x, which equals 3, 1 minus x to the minus 1. Now that is already in a form, especially using that modulus restriction we've got, we can do the second expansion of the binomial with that. So that equals 3, 1 plus minus 1 minus x plus minus 1 minus 2 minus x squared all over 2 factorial. First term therefore is going to be 3, minus 1 times minus x is going to be plus, so it's plus 3x, minus times a minus squared, again that's going to be a plus, all drops out as plus 3x squared. Okay, so I've now got f of x expressed as that term there, or that expression there, added to that expression. So f of x equals 1 minus 3x plus 27 over 4x squared plus 3 plus 3x plus 3x squared. Into the calculator if you need it for that lot. End up with 4 plus, the x's cancel out, so I'm left with 39 over 4 x squared.